Did you know that there are over 7,000 languages spoken around the globe? This surprising fact sets the stage for a fascinating exploration into the world of language basics, essential tools for unlocking the essence of communication and connection. Understanding the fundamentals of a language involves more than just memorizing words. It is the key to truly engaging in meaningful exchanges. Learning a new language, however, is not without its challenges. Many language learners struggle with vocabulary retention and the intricacies of grammar. The task of keeping new words in memory long enough to use them in conversation can feel daunting, and grasping grammar rules often becomes a stumbling block for beginners. Fortunately, there are numerous methods and techniques to overcome these obstacles. Immersive experiences, such as living in a country where the language is spoken, accelerate learning by providing constant exposure and practical application. Additionally, using practical exercises like speaking with native speakers or practicing with language learning apps can reinforce vocabulary and aid in understanding grammatical structures. Among these learning experiences, a key breakthrough moment might be mastering a challenging grammatical structure or finally holding a fluid conversation without resorting to translation tools. Achieving such milestones offers an exhilarating sense of accomplishment and builds confidence. The importance of mastering language basics cannot be overstated. A solid foundation in the fundamentals can vastly improve personal communications and open new doors in professional settings. Whether it's traveling, building friendships, or expanding career horizons, language skills play an integral role. I invite you to share your own language learning experiences in the comments below and join in the conversation. If you found this exploration into the world of language basics insightful, you may want to explore more in-depth topics in future videos. Your journey into the rich and rewarding realm of languages is just beginning.